What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. And as titled, today I'm going to be installing a 13x4 ginger wig in 24 inches given to me by UNice or UNice, I never know. And as you can see, like, I got the eyebrows already. Oh my god. Yeah, let me show you guys the wig. Y'all, look at this color. This color is so pretty. I actually wanted to wear this hair for Thanksgiving, but I had a silk press and I didn't want to waste the silk press, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna install her today. You see her, she's 24 inches, body wave. You know, look at the construction, Got the combs, you see the lace. I didn't bleach the knots or anything like that. All I did was went ahead and plucked the wig. Now let's reveal what's under this bonnet. Yup, my wig cap, well, my ball cap is already done, okay? We hopping straight into this video, okay? Straight into it. Now I'm gonna cut this a little bit so I can see, because I can't see. All right, so now we're talking. Okay? We are talking now. We're speaking my language. Let's go ahead and glue this down. I'm only gonna use one layer because I don't plan on wearing this very long. One layer, shawty, it is. So I'm gonna be using the Bold Hold, the active for oily skin. I don't have oily skin, but I like this glue. So this is what we're using, okay? And just, oh my god. Y'all know the drill. So once it dries clear, we're gonna go ahead and pull this down where we want it and press it into our skin. During this part, you don't have to rush. Like, take your time. It's looking good. It's looking good. I love when they give me these. So how I think I'm gonna style my hair is down the middle. In the meantime, I'm gonna like hot comb it to slick it down. And then once I take the band off, which it's time to take it off, we're gonna cut it and get into styling. All right, y'all, get into it. Time to cut the lace, okay? Time to cut the lace. Okay. We're gonna take out the ear tabs. Period. Okay, so I cut the ear tabs off and I laid this down again with this spray, the Fantasia Liquid Mousse, the Super Hold Spray. This smells so good and it works wonders, like. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit and now we're gonna get into styling. So it doesn't reach, but I wanted to do like crimps, and this is my first time gonna do crimps in my hair. I got this from either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. My boyfriend had got it for me. So let's see how this go. It's not long enough, so I'm gonna have to change the angle of the video. So let's do one section. I'm gonna take like this much hair, spray the section with Got To Be. Ooh, got it on my face. And pray for the best. I guess. Let's continue. Okay, little waves or whatever. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of the hair. You got the little baby hairs going on. I did them off camera. I finished the crimps off camera. Like, you can see it, but they're like dropping. Like you can see them more when they're like freshly done. But overall, still like it, still super duper cute. I went ahead, this is actually the next day, by the way. I had cleaned my face and like redid my makeup and my eyebrows still, because one thing about me, I'm gonna match my hair with my eyebrows, and that's a known fact. But I love the hair, especially for not me bleaching the knots or anything. Like, it looks good. I just plucked it, that's all I did. Installed it, just one layer of glue. Like, look at that, just one layer of glue, and went about my business. Okay, so if you guys like this hairstyle or this color hair or this hair, make sure y'all comment down below and like this video. And one other thing, just in case you didn't know, this hair is from Amazon, 24 inches, but it looks a little bit longer. Like, it feels longer. I don't know if it's because I'm short, but it feels longer than 24 inches. Like, it's basically like, when I pull it down, you guys can't see it, but when I pull it down, it's at my hip. It feels longer than 24 inches. The hair is super duper soft, but overall, I love it. Like, it looks really, really good. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And until next time, peace.